Hello YouTube, I hope you guys are all doing well. In this video, I want to show you guys a trade that I took this week that made me $10,000 in one of my XFAs. I currently have 5 XFAs, but one of them is currently sitting at $10,000, and I want to show you the trade that I took. Now, as you can see on my screen right here, you can see the trade that I took. It was a long from 24,549 all the way to 24,717, and that equated to about $10,000 in P&L. So, this was a great trade. I instantly entered and, I had no drawdown. And I really like this trade because this is a trade that I would always take a break off the EMA, but, we're going to be going over that very soon. But just before I get started, I just want to show you guys what I'm currently setting up for this month. So if I go to my dashboard, as you can see, for the month of February, from here to here, this equates to about $20,000 in payouts for this month alone. I have another payout request available today. I believe it's this one here that I labeled for the 20th. So yeah, we're currently doing very well for this month, and we just got our 5th winning day, and we're going to be taking out another payout of about $3,400, which will be very nice. And we're going to be ending this month off on just under 30k, right? Just before I get started in the trade breakdown, I want to show you guys that on this Monday, I am hosting a 30-day bootcamp where I trade live for 30 days straight from the 23rd of February all the way till 23rd of March. So if you're interested, you can join me on board for 30 days straight, where I trade live on Discord, and you can ask me questions. You can see the thought process behind every single trade that I take. You can see my wins, you can see my losses. So yeah, if you're interested, I'll leave a link in the description. It will take you over to this page here. You can make a payment of £500 and you can join me live for 30 days straight. If you're interested, click the link in the description and join me now before spots close soon. I'm closing spots this Saturday. We're no longer taking people after this Saturday. So yeah, if you want to join in quick. Let's get straight into the breakdown. So you may be asking, Ryan, why did you go long when the market is clearly going down? We're clearly going into the red and we're clearly making lower lows and lower highs. Well, let me tell you, right now, as you can see here, this is the market open. The market opened here at 9:30. We had a little pump up doing about 200 points, as you can see, and then we dumped from the highs all the way to this low, doing about 350 points to the downside. Now, once we done 350 points to the downside, and we found some support at this level here, sitting at 500 even. I noticed that this number here is a round even number. So if I put a line here at 24,500, as you can see, this level acted as support. Markets came down, created a low, and just held this low for a while. Eventually, I marked up a box like this, and as you can see, I waited for an entry. I waited for price to come back into here after it just made this big move up. This could have been a nice entry as well at the double bottom. However, I waited a bit, and eventually we formed a triple bottom. Now, a triple bottom is this. A triple bottom is when it comes down, it creates 1, 2, 3 lows, and then bounces up. So that is a triple bottom pattern. It goes the same for the upside as well. If we come up, we create the high, come down, and then come back in, come down, come back in for the 3rd time. That will be a triple top, right? So that is a triple bottom and a triple top pattern. And ideally, I took the trade when the market broke above this blue line, which is the 50 EMA. Once we broke above here, I entered at 549, and then I TP'd all the way at 717 for a nice profit of $10,000. As you can see on this XFA, we're currently sitting at 81% win rate, 10,500 in total P&L. And we're currently green for 4 days in a row. Just need one more day, and then we can request another max payout of $5,000, which will put me at just under 30k for this month alone. So yeah, very nice month, $30k. I'm currently in Bangkok, Thailand as well. I'm going to be in Koh Samui on Monday, and that is where I'll be starting my 30-day bootcamp. So yeah, once again, if you're interested in joining the bootcamp, then I'll leave a link in the description below. You can join me. Spots are closing this Saturday. You won't be able to get into the 30-day bootcamp no more. So yeah, I highly suggest you join as soon as you see this video, because spots will be closing very soon. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you've learned something. And yeah, join me on board for 30 days live every single day at the market with the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, guys.